Some cars are pretty fun when the battery dies, and the Lexus RX350 is one of them. Can you hear this? So somehow the battery died. Someone was trying to open the trunk, pop the trunk. So what we will do is this here. The key, well, my door is open, but your door will probably not be. So we're gonna do this. So you got the key. On top of your key there's a little tab. Pull that tab and pull it out, so you have the actual key in here, and you can put in your door, and this is going to open. Now there's more. So if by any chance your this battery died, so what you do is you get your key close to the button, so you have the button. That's not the case. This here we're going to change the battery, but you put it in here, and then if it doesn't have the battery and this here is going to beep, of course the battery of the car is dead now. It's going to beep, and then you can start your car. So this, you don't need the key fob actually working for this to work. The proximity actually works. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood, and then right here on the right side we are going to pop this out, and you can see the battery right in there, right? Cover the plus sign, and we are going to disconnect the negative. So let me show you. We're going to use a 10mm and loose that up. And the reason why we lose the negative first is because the negative goes all the way to the car. So if you do that to the positive, and by chance you touch this here, you're gonna get a spark or shocked or something. So we got that down. It'll be nice to take this little cover off, but I'm gonna take also the positive out of there. I'm not concerned about the memory of the radio or any of that stuff, and of course I'm gonna lose it. There you go. So we have that. I'm gonna just save this, but when you get a new battery, you have one of those. It's just like avoiding this to touch the bottom and doesn't get humid and some other stuff, because it just protects a little bit. Now I'm gonna release the actual battery. There's a support in here. So mommy, I'm changing the battery. So here you can get pop with the screwdriver. I got this picker. Come here, my son. It's coronavirus time. I'm talking to YouTube. And so there is 1, 2, 3, and then this one, 4th. You just pop it up, and then it's free. So take it out, save those. Why is that, my buddy? And take it out. So once you take that, put it in a safe place, and then you have a better view of what you need to do and how we're going to do it. It's free. Now I need to get this side here, pop it out, pop it out. Some of them could be brittle and break. Pop it out. Alright, so now we're gonna take this big one out of here. There you go. And this side here, so kinda clicks. There you go. So all of this, so we can remove this little thing in here. So that's the second bolt for the support. This one I already took. I'm gonna show you how that works. So so you understand. There you go. So this is a little hook. It goes down there, and as you tight, this hook starts going up, and then hooks somewhere, and then keeps it down. So this must be the hardest part for most people, because this one doesn't have a strap, and it's kind of hard to grab. So you might need to put your hand down there, flip it, and take it out. So in the battery, usually you can see the date. So this one is 9/17. So the battery used in this car is a 24F. You see here, right? And why this is important? Because if you look here, if you look straight to the battery where the poles are towards you, the right side is positive, the left side is negative. If I go to the other battery I have, it is not a 24F, and positive is on the left side instead of the right side. So I'll make this work, but I would suggest you buy this one. I'm gonna put the link in the description so you kind of know what to buy, but I'm going to put the wrong kind, which in my case is a little stronger than what I need, because it was for that truck, but you know, it's been sitting here, so I'm gonna make good use of it. So this is the other part. You need to use some muscles. So you got that. I'm gonna test fit. This one of course has a little thing so you can carry it. Alright, sorry, I have a worker doing his slave work there. She didn't hear. And we're gonna put this in here. And my case I relocated, but in your case it'll be right here, so not much different. And now so we put the negative after, to be honest, and we're gonna put here positive. There you go. So after turning off the power, this happens. System loading, just on time. So I try to run the car and it doesn't load, it doesn't run, and then it says system loading, do not run the car. So yeah, I guess now we're good to roll. Run the car, everything should be all right. Yeah, sun is running, wife is making garden beds. I'm missing now is this cover. So you go down there, fish the little thing that has there you go, here, fish the little thing that has the little hole with this. Okay, so with the battery out of the way, meaning we're done with the battery, I am going to put this in place. So you kind of, I don't know if you saw it, but I go like this, and done. And now we start putting back our little things. So this works like you pull the pin up, push the little thingy down, and then push the pin inside. The broken ones I don't even bother. I have a bag full of it. Okay, and now to finish, we are going to put this guy here. So, not a big deal. Put it up there. Push the little thing up. Some of them are harder. There you go. Up. And I'm gonna put all the key places first. I think I might need more. There you go. Push down there, one on each corner. And here. And that's pretty much it. Gotta clean this here. It's there. Yeah, there you go. So new battery is down there. Old battery is out here. And again, I'm gonna put a link to this battery in the description so you can have a reference at Amazon. You don't need to buy that one, but just so you know which one it is. Usually Walmart has good prices, but you know, sometimes Amazon has competition and then you can buy in a good price. So hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a little comment, like, share, and I'll see you in the next video.
Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's at McDonald's. 20 miles to go.